It's day number 2 of the $1,000 account challenge, and I am up $10 on the day. Not bad. Straight off of my day trade watch list, we had Apple as a short idea below $224, but given the pre-market sell-off, we adjusted that level to a short below $223. Now, we like this stock as a continuation move down today because it was showing relative weakness, and yesterday had, quite frankly, a really large sell-off. So as Apple opened up and rallied, which is the ideal scenario on a gap down day, we were looking for the break of this uptrend trend line right here. Now, we can't take the entry short on the break of the uptrend trend line because, well, maybe it puts in a higher low and bounces and gives us a higher high. So that's not necessarily confirmation for us, but it is the first stage to confirmation that we're looking for. Then we need to look for further confirmation from here. We need to see lower highs, which we get there, and then we need to see lower lows, which we get here. Understanding that old support can become new resistance, this is where we start to look to take this short. As we get the test of low of day, which is a natural point of support, we then look for the bounce. We get the bounce, and again, risking off of old support becoming new potential resistance, we take the entry short here with a stop loss just above. This gives us a really tight amount of risk topside with the potential for a high amount of reward, and from here, it's just a matter of holding through on the trade, trusting the analysis, and letting the trade work for us. We do get the move down into the low of day, at which time I decided to go ahead and secure profits. Could I have held on a little longer and made more money? Sure. Could I have taken another entry up here and made money? Sure. But I've said so many times that at the beginning of these account challenges, it's so crucial to build up a profit margin and not take on any more additional risk than what you have to until you get a nice cushion of profit margin that allows you to take on more risk. It was a one and done type of trade for me today, and I think that the team understands that pretty well. I took a poll. If you traded Apple today, according to the 1K challenge rules, are you green? 71 members voted that they were green. Only 2 voted that they were red off of that trade, and 3 did not take the trade or wound up break even. Slow and steady wins the race. I know that you may not be impressed by these profits, but when this account maybe gets to $5,000 or $10,000 and we're making $1,000 or $2,000 a day, you're going to start asking me, Gates, how are you doing this? I am doing it this way, this system, this strategy, the way that I take entries, exits, risk management. Nothing changes when we trade with larger size. That's why it's so crucial to get in on this early and learn this early, because it's a skill set that you can apply no matter what position sizing that you like to use. So if you think you've missed the challenge, you haven't. We're still very early on in the stages of this challenge, and you can start at any time with any amount. If you'd like to join and come trade live with me tomorrow, the link is in the description. If not, then I will see you here on YouTube tomorrow for day number 3 of the $1,000 account challenge. Cheers, take care, and enjoy the rest of your day.